Hello, dear Graziella. How are you?
Hello, Michael. Welcome to Malta and welcome in our new house.
Okay.
We have just moved in. We're settling in slowly. I am going to show you around.
Super, super. Thank you very much. Can we start from the doors?
Yes, this is our main door. It's made of steel.
Actually, this is a steel door, which is a compact laminated design. So it's very nice and very strong, and it is good for sunshine and rain.
And rain as well.
Yes.
And we opted for this color because I like wood.
Super,
A lot.
super,
And it looks as if it is wood.
super. Let's go. Hello, Ben. How are you?
Alright.
You are good?
Yes.
Everything is under control? Great.
This is our kitchen, which is modern style because we like modern style. And we chose light colors for the place to look bright.
Yes, it's very
And for natural light to reflect on surfaces, on white surfaces.
super. Super. It's shiny and bright. And you have an open outside door there?
We have a door, we have a small yard here. We chose to do it with blinds. So during the morning, the natural sun comes in and lights up our kitchen.
Super. Let's move inside, huh? Okay.
We have a tall corridor here with the rest of the rooms in our house. This is the main bathroom. We have a tilt and turn window.
Okay. Very nice. Let's go inside.
This is our main bedroom. We have a window here. It opens like this. It's easier to clean.
Very nice. This is open inside, tilt and turn, I guess, huh? With the blinds.
Yes, it's also tilt and turn. We
Super.
can leave it like this as well.
Super. And you have a bathroom here also?
It is what I would call it en suite. It's a small bathroom with our main bedroom.
I see.
We also have a tilt and turn window.
In it, huh?
This is the rest of our corridor with the last two rooms. Here we have an open space. We made it as an office where we work from home.
Super.
We have another door with blinds. It opens to our main yard where we do the laundry and spend our time, especially in summer.
Super. And again, you use blinds, huh?
Yes.
Super.
For natural sunlight to come in, especially when we are working here from home.
Yes.
We prefer natural light than artificial light.
Okay, then the last room, I guess.
The last room is a children's room. We also have a door with blinds. It opens to the backyard.
Can I see the backyard also? Okay. And again, you prefer to have blinds on it, huh?
Yes.
That's what I saw, that mainly you are choosing doors and windows like kind of huge one, and you are trying to have open outside in here. That's what I feel. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, super. Dear Graziella, I really thank you that you had us in your house and you gave us some design idea. Thank you very much for your time and having us here.
Thank you for coming to our house. It was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you. Bye bye.